So before going towards this valuation approach, okay, before jumping into the understanding the methods of valuation directly, what we will do, it's better for us to understand the most important concept of finance, okay, so which will be used everywhere, not just in the equity research, but in every finance thing that you are going to do in future. This concept of time value of money is a basic concept that is used in each and every field of finance. Okay, and you must understand what does time value of money means. Remember, in time, when we say time value of money, right? What does it mean? It means that the money that you hold today, the rupees that you hold today, will not have the same value tomorrow, okay, or in the 10 years or 20 years, right? That will be not be the same value. Today, if you hold 100 rupee note, okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after 10 years, that 100 rupee will be like a 10 rupee for you, because the value of that rupee is depleting over the years. Earlier you had 25 paise, 50 paise. Nowadays nobody uses those currencies, right? Because there is no value for that paisa nowadays. Why? Because the value of the rupee is diminishing day by day. So therefore the money has a time value. As time goes, as time passes, the value of those money will also decline. So what is the solution for that, to not get declined those value? What you do, you invest that money into banks, into FDs, into savings account, so that at least you get those interest from that money and the value will remain same for that money. And that's why you invest. Why you invest into the markets, why you invest into the banks, so that the value of that money should not get diminished in the coming year, and you can remain and you can maintain your standard of living. Okay, you can maintain a standard of living. Say for example, if you want to purchase a dairy milk 10 years back, okay, for the same quantity, okay, of the dairy milk, how much you are paying today? 10 rupees. Okay, for that same quantity of dairy milk 10 years back, you are paying only rupees 5. Okay, so to consume the same quantity of dairy milk today, you have to pay 10 rupees. So if that 5 rupees you have invested 10 years back, okay, today you might consume that dairy milk of 10 rupees, because your 5 rupees have now increased to 10 rupees since you have invested into your bank. If you keep your money idle in your locker, okay, that will not generate your interest, and therefore your standard of living will get depleted. So therefore, remember that the value of money, the money has a time value. That is for sure. Let's see this slide. So what does time value of money means? It is an idea that money that is available at the present time, okay, that is, let's say 100 rupees at the present time, is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its potential earning capacity, right? This core principle of finance holds that provided money can earn interest, any amount of money is worth more the sooner it is received. The sooner you receive the money, the more it's worth it, right? If someone says that if you want 100 rupees today or you want 100 rupees tomorrow, what you will say? You want 100 rupees today itself. Why? Because if you take it tomorrow, the value of that 100 rupees might have declined to 1 rupee or 2 rupee, whatever, right? So one of the most fundamental concepts in finance is that the money has a time value attached to it. In simpler terms, it will be safe to say that a rupee was worth more yesterday than today, and a rupee today is worth more than a rupee tomorrow. So if you can see here, it's nothing but future money is nothing but what? Present money plus the time. That is nothing but the interest, right? If you are investing into the bank's deposits. So if you can see here the chart, okay, this is the number of period. Let's assume it is 1 year period. Okay, your present value, let's say, is 100 rupees. You are investing 100 rupees. You will get an interest of 10%. Let's say 10% is an interest rate. To 10 rupees, you will be getting interest. So what will be your future value? That 100 rupees will become 110 after 1 year. Why? Because you have earned an interest of 10 rupees. Okay, in a how many period? In a 1 year period. So these are the factors that will be required to understand the time value of concept. What are the factors that you will require? You will require present value, that is the money that you are holding today, the future value, that the money that you will be holding after a year one, how much earning capacity that money has, okay, and the period in which this earning you will be getting from. So this amount of information that you should be having in the finance part, then only you can easily calculate the money value.